Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text horizontally and vertically in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many text. Now I am select a text. Now we make the text vertical. Go to the home menu, select the text direction or the orientation option. Make the text vertical. You can align the text left, center, right, otherwise top, middle or bottom. Now I am make center. You can change the text horizontal. Go back again and we can see here the text angle. You can change this text angle. We can see here many option. Now we can see we center the text horizontally and vertically easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.